getting close. Oh my god, look at these. This is like...
Those are huge.
I'm gonna go inside. Okay.
Holy crap.
I don't know if I was looking.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, my car!
Oh, I'm sorry.
For what?
Your car.
Oh, whatever.
But who cares?
I don't care about dents.
Oh my god, another massive one to put in the yard.
Oh my god!
I wish my camera would be picking up more of this.
Oh, there's
because
no way it's gonna pick it up.
This is ridiculous. It's a tree at my house.
It just won't
Oh
stop.
my god!
that one's just huge.
Oh.
For everybody's car. Wow. Oh my god.
Whoa, oh my gosh, there's a huge one pulled down the hill.
Sounds like it's tapering off a bit. That's good.
How is that bird
Well,
nest so up
that's the thing, is they're getting bigger, but less frequent. Oh yeah, that one that just rolled right there is like bigger than golf ball.
Wow.
Oh, look at the one in the neighbor's yard just sitting there, right by their path.
Yeah.
Oh my god, yeah.
Oh, the one over by the street over there to the right too. Oh,
Was
boom.
that that van?
Yeah, the top of the
Oh
van.
my god, did you see that one just fell there?
Oh my. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Hey, don't be stupid.
Holy crap. Oh my god.
No way.